English? Are you ready to speak with me? Are you ready to speak with me?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, then open the box for me. I want to speak with the lady.
Can you come out of the box?
Yeah, who is going to raise the box for me? Can somebody help me to raise the box?
You want me to raise the box? Okay, I'll do.
I want to speak with her physically. To see my face, and I want to see her.
Yeah, I want to see your face.
Really?
You are a person, huh?
I'm Steven.
Hello, sir.
Nice to meet you. But I don't know your name.
My name is
Stefan. It's like we are using the same name.
Yeah?
Yeah. This is an art that we want to do for the whole Germany, even the people who have the power, who are using their power to bring us down, to know that we are suffering. This boss, under the boss, is a little bit heat, but we are suffering more than that. It has not been to a month now. Our brothers died on the sea. The Europeans everywhere, they saw it, but they did not say anything about it. They shed crocodile tears on it, and nobody do anything about it. We are living here in Hamburg for 5 months now. The government has never do anything about our situation. We are suffering for 3 years now. We are Africans.